Welcome to Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. I'll show you my crew for today. Afif, the one in blue.
Hello.
Firdaus. And Akmal. Okay, today we are going to hike a total of 10 clicks from Bukit Timah to Macritchie Reservoir. And this is where we'll start, the mountain bike trail. Baru hike dan nak first stop. Yeah, it's a mountain bike trail.
Dah keluar dah.
One trail, the Rifle Range 1 entrance. So Kapong Trail to Macritchie Reservoir, we got 10.2 km more to go. So this is the road to Rifle Range Road. Ready guys?
Jom.
Let's go. We were from Nangka Trail and now proceeding to Durian.
Okay, but jackfruit. So why the next one? Apa?
Macam pokok kat rumah aku je.
Ada pokok yang dekat Ipoh inside your aquarium.
Like, Akmal nak go beyond the bridge lah. Jadi bridge road. Clear water lah.
Air longkang
Dari rumah orang lah tu.
Apa janji?
OTD eh?
Oh tu diam.
Tak tahu lah, aku tak tahu posing lah.
Oh dia diam.
Durian.
Mana? Serius? Oh, dah jatuh.
Oh yeah. That's the reason why they call it durian.
Mana? I can see. Dekat ni.
It's down here.
Tadi ni orang makan orang tak sini.
Tak. Tak buka pun.
Nak buka kan?
Tak nak lah.
Atau it's still fresh, still muda.
Apa mah main dengan air longkang?
The trail mah. This is how we enjoy nature.
Sejuk sangat lah.
Bang, kau try boleh minum tak?
Tak berani
Yang wali kan, tak apa lah.
Dekat lidah okey lah. Okey. Tambah satu One, two, three. Alright.
Right, let's go up the stairs.
Amal last man.
Finally.
Afif.
Yeah, Afif. You lead. Quite steep.
Ya, awak. Ya, Afif. Awak gambar. Mesti air hujan.
Okay, let's go.
Bulan
the left, please.
Kaji loop ke?
Both is the same, durian loop. Maybe it merge.
Kali ni kita begini keluar dari saya.
One round, eh?
Sama.
Old stairway. Wonder what's here in the past.
Rumah ya. Ni ada tile semua.
That's why.
Ada apa?
Tiles.
Ada kan dulu rumah. Jadi ni dia punya apa? Kitchen. This is my kitchen. The bedroom is over there.
Besar tengok rumah dia. Kau tengok ni, dah.
Ah, si.
Afif, one moment please. Wonder what the hell is this?
Pada udah kat dalam macam pillar lah. Foundation ni. Maybe dulu rumah dia. Oh ni kampung cantik lah.
Okay, we reach a junction. Let's see, Macritchie Reservoir Park, 9.2 km, Kampong Chante. From Durian Loop, Bukit Timah Nature Reserve, 2.2 km from where we are from.
Kampung cantik.
Okay, welcome
Ya,
to the
gali
boring
batu
part of the
ke?
journey.
Macam gali batu je.
Yes, correct.
Oh. Pun tak ada air.
Boring part of the hike, Raffle Range Road. But there's no trail at all. Just walk on the road or the footpath. Okay, we've reached Raffle Range flyover, where you can oversee BKE from here, and of course our canteen. Alright, finally end of Rifle Range Road. Here we are. Rifle Range Link. Let's see, Macritchie Reservoir 7.2 km more to go. Treetop Walk 2.6. Jelutong Tower 1.6. So far we traveled 4.4 km. And let's take a look at the map. Here we are. Let's see, you are here. So, I wonder where we're gonna cross at.
Mana evidence ni? Kita jalan mana?
I know we reach here. Then we walk here.
Ni,
Sini. Yeah.
tepi reservoir eh.
Yep.
Ni yang treetop lah. Yang
Oh,
cakap.
but it's fast,
jauh
eh.
sih.
That's why. So it's only one way, eh? Dah lah, one way ni. So if you wanna go,
Off the way sih.
jalan.
I
More
mean,
than
usually
10 feet.
people walk from here I think. Ni yang kau nak Instagram treetop walk tu.
Oh.
Jauh sih. Kita kat mana? Where are we?
Yeah, here.
Oh. So you're
Nowhere.
taking the pink trail lah?
Pink and
Pink, orange.
Oh.
Yang kali hitam apa? Ni tak ada.
I think it's that road, maybe. Don't know lah.
Tak ada. Ni ada wild boar tak? Ada, betul tak ada? Tapi dia Tengah kita masih set ni. Baik, jangan dia datang buat kita. Masuk main ke? Aku kena diri ni. Saya aku. Go.
Afif.
Yalah, tengok all the tu aja. Aku seram je nak tengok dulu. Afif masa tak? Try Singapore nak tengok. Ada apa? My lens is not the.
It's life proof.
Yeah, fence dia. Dah dekat.
We are from Bukit Timah Nature Reserve, 5.8 km from here, and now towards Jeletong Tower. And of course Macritchie Reservoir Park, which is 4.8 km. We're halfway through our journey, and
Break water there. Look at the butterfly. Alamak.
okay, never mind, too late.
Hey.
Carry on, and we're gonna go through this way, Jeletong Tower.
Macam Jeletong is a LRT station kan? Itu Jelatang. Tak, ada Jeletong tu.
Alright, welcome to the Jeletong Tower. It's time in tower. Let's take a look at the map. So earlier we are here, Rifle Range Road, and now we're here. And our ending point should be, would be here. Take a long way to go.
Hey, kat sini ada tengok. Dengar tadi kau tu. To be or not to be? Which is what and which is a bee? Color matches. Amal naik. Amal.
Tu pasir tu jatuh macam ni.
Kau naik tinggi sangat. Aku nak halau banyak dia. Oh, sedapnya angin. Tu lah, sedapnya angin.
Are we there yet?
The 5 stories eh? Got 2 more stories. Oh, sedapnya angin.
At least it's quite windy here.
Dah tinggi dia. Tak ada shelter eh? Tak payah lah. Hang punya nak untuk PCG kan. Nanti Golkar datang nanti.
How many stories high
6
Six
Feels
Okay.
like 6. Ada shelter betul lah aku cakap. Ni orang penat ni.
Tu lah.
Fish eagle.
So now, we're at the top Jelatung Tower. It's about 6 stories high. I believe so.
Ayah biar tak jumpa lagi.
Gee, I don't think so, man.
Macam mukio je. Tak ada dah waterfront, tak tahu. Ni ada signal aku ni. Tinggi je.
Can you lead us out of here, please? Oh, dia tengah eating a fly lah.
Nak jual ni.
Bullshit.
Butterfly. Nak jual. Here we have it. The most endangered species of all is the Komodo dragon. As you can see, this is about 2 to 3 years old.
Yeah, right.
Look at that. And they can grow up to 5 meters in length and can weigh up to 200.
Yep.
Around the perimeter. Ini updated je. Maaf saya aku kuat roket.
So now we are at what? Sime Road Sime. Sime Crab. Okay. So it's about 6 kilometers to I do not know where.
You were so close.
Okay, Macritchie Reservoir 5.5 km more to go.
Was halfway there already.
Petaling Hut. Since the golf route is already closed, we have no other choice but to go further. Oh yeah, there's a notice there.
Here they put on this.
But who wanna reach here?
Habis kena tangkap dengan facilitator. Habis lah, satu kelas saya dapat C. Great.
No,
Failure to comply.
Terentang Hut.
Terentang.
Terentang lah. Okay, let's see where we are
Should
exactly.
not walk is here. Yeah.
This is exit of Treetop Walk.
Kau balik sana.
Okay,
Terentang trail.
so we just follow the. I think we better follow the
Pink.
pink map. Pink road.
Ping is
Tak, it's
9.5
the total
tapi difficult
distance.
tau.
Total distance.
Sampai sini.
Dia tak tunjuk. Dia tak tunjuk the distance to there. Dia tunjuk total distance is 9.5.
Oh.
Pasal dia ada grading dia lah. Dia
Yeah.
betul.
So,
Yang pink je sampai sini is 9.5.
okay lah.
Oh, okay.
So I think
should be
ping
okay
on should be okay lah. Sampai sini kita akan continue on with yellow lah.
Kejap
Atau
je ni
grey.
sikit. Ni about 1 click.
I think ikut yellow. Grey.
Yellow.
Our kapak kat sini ke?
Yellow. No. For now.
Sorry, but I prefer pink ah. Although it's a harder like.
Yeah, I think okay. 9.5 only tau.
Apa yang hard dengan pink?
Um,
Dia cakap
the route difficulty.
Trail dia lah.
I think the only difference is here. Betul tak? Dia semua sama apa?
Yeah,
Sama.
correct.
So I think the only difficulty is here. Boleh lah.
Alright, let's start.
Let's go.
Ni go to.
Dia punya kapak kat sini ya.
Yep.
Ni kapak dia.
Kali itu bukan kita.
Okay, now we are a bit so-called lost. We have not walked through this trail before, but well, let's see.
Betul lah. So we walk the correct way guys now. Where are we now?
Yeah, correct.
Kita ikut je. Oh tadi kita ikut the longer route lah.
Yeah. Ikut then we go down.
Kita ikut boardwalk.
Yeah.
Tadi kita kat sini. Yeah, correct. So we took the longer route lah.
Okay, so now what? Kita turun bawah sini.
Terus then turn to the right.
Dia
Bila tu lain kapal.
Kalau tidak kita ikut sini.
Okay, depan belok kanan lah. Kalau ada boardwalk, too bad.
Alright, let's carry on down the road.
Macritchie kat sini.
Alright, let's go. Bukit Timah Nature Reservoir 7.4 km. If you wanna go high bike lah. But it's okay. Venus Car Park exit Macritchie Reservoir 4.3.
Yeah. So this is where we turn right.
Guys, prepare for rain, yeah? Here we are in Macritchie Nature Trail. 4.1 km left to go. Let's go. Here it. Where's spider?
Ambil dari depan lah.
Ada
Depan
nampak.
Oh yes. Wait.
Depan sini. Tak tinggi. Dia punya web dia tinggi.
Di depan tak ada, di belakang ada.
Nampak. Dari belakang tu dia. Tak nampak. Dulu tak nampak. Tu nak pakai lens yang itu. Ya. Ini tentang
It's raining.
kamera kau okey tak? Aku dah gone nak apa lah. Kau ni dia aku rasa ni nak habiskan tak? So, okay. Apa? Aku rasa ni nak habiskan je tak payah lah. Boleh tak?
So how? Enjoying the rain so far?
Tak payah lah.
Enjoying the rain? Yes.
Tak ke? Ya, angin hujan je. Ni tepi lah.
Let's go! Let's go!
Survivors!
Come Beef, come! Baik. Dia lagi dia boleh dapat main
Aku
hujan.
tak boleh keluarkan handphone Ya, aku naik Surabaya, Merapi. Hujan ni gini lah. All the way. Aku kan pakai bonco lah. Pakai bonco pun tak guna, sejuk gila. Because you already like 2000 meters up.
Kau nak kena pakai jaket yang mountainous ni.
Pakai thermal. Windbreaker untuk ni. The outer layer tu lah, poncho. Dah lah, tebal dah. Tu pun dah sejuk. Tangan aku dah beku dah.
Canoe Federation. Okay, correct. Macritchie Reservoir Park for more 0.4 km.
400 meter.
0.4 ah?
0.4.
Alright. Alright, settle. Conquer liao. With this batch of SC that dah conquer.
We did it.
And the XSC and one regular. Gunung Timah.
Dapat. This is open area. Tak dapat kan? Ha?
Ni tadi kita tunggu sini kan?
Ya.
Yeah,